Hello, everyone, and welcome to our special English feelings practice.
Hello, teacher. Hello, listeners.
Anna, it is so good to have you here today. Tell me, how do you feel right now?
I feel happy to be here. I am also a little excited to learn.
Wonderful. Happy and excited are great feelings to start with. Today, we will practice how to express feelings in English.
Yes, I want to learn more emotion words.
That is our goal. You will listen, you will repeat, and you will feel each sentence with your heart.
That sounds like a fun way to learn.
It is. And if you are listening now, please repeat after us. Say the words out loud. Feel them as you speak.
Yes, please speak with us.
Excellent. Let us start with some simple feelings. These are words we use every day.
I am ready, teacher.
Repeat after me. I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Again, with a smile, I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Good. Now, the opposite. Repeat. I feel sad.
I feel sad.
Feel it in your voice. Say, I feel sad.
I feel sad.
Excellent. Now a strong feeling. Repeat. I feel angry.
I feel angry.
Again, with emotion. I feel angry.
I feel angry.
Very good, Anna. Now, after a long day, repeat. I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Take a breath. Say, I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Wonderful. And when you are very relaxed, say, I feel calm.
I feel calm.
Again, softly. I feel calm.
I feel calm.
Great job. Next, before a big event, repeat. I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Yes, with energy. Say, I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Very good. And when you are a little worried, repeat. I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
Say it naturally. I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
Excellent. Now for a positive one. Repeat. I feel proud.
I feel proud.
Yes, feel proud. Say, I feel proud.
I feel proud.
Beautiful. Anna, you are doing so well. Now, let us put these feelings into context.
Oh, like using them in sentences about life.
Exactly. We will combine emotions with real-life examples. This makes your English more natural.
I understand. I am ready to try.
Repeat after me. I feel nervous when I speak English.
I feel nervous when I speak English.
Good. Many students feel the same way. It is normal. Now say, I feel proud when I learn something new.
I feel proud when I learn something new.
Great job. Feel that pride when you say it. Repeat. I feel tired when I work too much.
I feel tired when I work too much.
Yes, we all do sometimes. Now, I feel relaxed when I listen to music.
I feel relaxed when I listen to music.
Perfect. Music can be very calming. Repeat. I feel scared when I speak in public.
I feel scared when I speak in public.
It is a common fear. Acknowledge it. Now, I feel happy when I help people.
I feel happy when I help people.
That is a wonderful feeling. Anna, repeat. I feel angry when I wait too long.
I feel angry when I wait too long.
Yes, waiting can be frustrating. Next, I feel excited when I travel to new places.
I feel excited when I travel to new places.
Great energy. Now, a different one. I feel sad when I say goodbye to friends.
I feel sad when I say goodbye to friends.
It is okay to feel sad. It shows you care. Repeat. I feel surprised when I get a nice gift.
I feel surprised when I get a nice gift.
Good. And finally, for this section, I feel bored when nothing happens.
I feel bored when nothing happens.
Excellent practice, Anna. Now, let us talk about how much you feel. We can use words like very or a little.
Oh, like very happy or a little sad.
Exactly. This adds more detail to your feelings. Repeat. I feel very happy today.
I feel very happy today.
Good. Now, I feel a little sad sometimes.
I feel a little sad sometimes.
Perfect. And with excitement, I am so excited for this weekend.
I am so excited for this weekend.
Great. Use so to show strong feelings. Repeat. I am very tired after my long walk.
I am very tired after my long walk.
Good, Anna. And if it is a small worry, I am a little nervous about the test.
I am a little nervous about the test.
Very good. You are getting the nuance. Now, how about asking others how they feel? This is very important.
Oh, yes. I want to ask my friends about their feelings.
Excellent goal. Let us practice some simple questions. Repeat. How do you feel today?
How do you feel today?
Good. Another one. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
And for general, well, being, is everything okay?
Is everything okay?
Perfect. If you see someone sad, you can ask, what is wrong?
What is wrong?
Yes. And a direct question. Do you feel sad today?
Do you feel sad today?
Great job practicing these questions. Anna, you are learning to connect with others.
It feels good to know how to ask.
It truly does. Now, let us take a moment for emotional reflection. Close your eyes, Anna, if you feel comfortable.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Think about your day so far. Think about your life. What is one feeling that comes to your mind right now?
I feel thankful.
Beautiful. Thankful is a strong, warm word. Open your eyes. Repeat after me. I feel thankful for this moment.
I feel thankful for this moment.
And for peace, I feel peaceful when I learn.
I feel peaceful when I learn.
Wonderful. Now, let us practice some affirmations. These are positive sentences about yourself.
Oh, like telling myself good things.
Exactly. They help you feel strong and confident. Repeat after me. I feel strong.
I feel strong.
Again, with power, I feel strong.
I feel strong.
Good. Next, I feel confident.
I feel confident.
Yes, you are confident. Say, I feel confident.
I feel confident.
Great. And for your learning journey, I feel ready to learn.
I feel ready to learn.
Louder. I feel ready to learn.
I feel ready to learn.
Fantastic. Now, you, listening at home or on the go, say these with us.
Yes, repeat with strong feelings.
Repeat. I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
Yes, you are. Say, I am improving my English.
I am improving my English.
Beautiful. Feel that progress. Repeat. My English is becoming real.
My English is becoming real.
Wonderful. Anna, and to all our listeners, today, you did not just practice words, you practiced emotions.
It was like feeling English.
Exactly. When you say how you feel, your English becomes alive. It connects you to others.
I feel more confident to express myself now.
That is the goal. Every time you speak, Add a little feeling. That is how your English becomes real, personal, and strong.
Thank you, teacher. This was very helpful.
My pleasure, Anna. And to everyone listening, remember this. Repeat after me. I feel proud of myself.
I feel proud of myself.
Beautiful. Keep speaking from the heart. That is where real English begins. Thank you for joining us today.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and feeling. See you next time.